On this video today, I'm going to show you a step-by-step strategy that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing in 2024 as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method does not require any investment, and the best part is that it is available worldwide. So wherever you are in the world, you can use this method to make money from home. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. You can join Digit24, you can join Warrior Plus, ClickBank, or any network that you know. In this case, I'm using Market Health. As you can see, this is my dashboard on Market Health. You can see I got 19,406 impressions and I had 3,521 clicks, and the conversion is 93. You can see the payout is $5,831.74. That is the payout. So if you watch the video till the end, I will show you a free way that you can also use to make money with Market Health or any affiliate network that you know. So now what you have to do is that you have to sign up for a Market Health account. Market Health is available worldwide, so just search for Market Health. Once you search for it, click on their website so that you can create your free account. It is free to join, you don't need to pay for anything. So just search for it. Once you search for it, you are going to click on the website. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. This is a network where you can find health related offers to promote. There are many offers on the platform, so you can promote any offer that you want and you are going to be making money anytime you get a sale. You can see this is the platform. Now what you have to do is that you have to click right here, sign up. Once you click on it, you are going to enter the required details so that you can sign up for a free account. Once you create your account and log in, what you have to do is that you have to click on offers. Once you click on it, you are going to select all offers or just click on offers. Once you click on it, you will find a lot of different offers that you can promote to earn money on this platform. As you can see, these are the offers, and the offers, they have them in different categories. You can see they have business opportunities, they have a lot of different subcategories under health. You can see a whole lot of them. So any category that you want, you can click on it and then find a product that you can promote to earn money. You can see a lot of different offers. In this case, we are going to be promoting a weight loss offer, so click on weight loss products. Once you click on it, you can see a lot of different weight loss products that you can promote to earn money from home. You can see a whole lot of them. As a school, you can see a whole lot of them, and the commission rate, you can see $50 CPA. So these are CPA offers that you can promote to make money from home. You can see 50% per cost per sale. If you promote this product, you are going to be earning 50% of the cost of the product. This one is $45 per cost per action. So that is the amount that you are going to earn if your potential visitors take a specific action. It can be credit card submit or a sign up for a trial. So whatever the CPA is, if they take action, you are going to be making money. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting this offer right here. You can see green coffee bean. It is a weight loss product. It helps people to lose weight. So we are going to be promoting this offer. To promote the offer, click right here so that you can get more details about the offer. Once you click on the offer, you are going to see a page like this. You can see right here, this is your affiliate link. So you have to get people to click on this link and then purchase the product. You can shorten your affiliate link. So if you click right here, shorten URL, your affiliate link is going to be shortened. If you scroll down, there are many other details about the product. As I scroll, you can see the expiring date. It is going to expire in 330 days time. So you still have a lot of time to promote the offer. When you scroll down, you can see brief details about the offer. Now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to preview the landing page so that we can get more information about the product. To preview the landing page, click on preview landing page. Once you click on it, this is the landing page of the product. You can see right here, your potential visitors are going to receive free bottles of the product before they decide to purchase it. So this is one of the highly converting offer that you can promote, because your potential visitors are not going to be forced to purchase the product. What they have to do is that you have to first of all try the product. If it is good, they can then go ahead and then purchase the product. You can see the bonuses that your potential visitors are going to get when they purchase the product. You can see weight loss management, you can see the bonus 2, weight loss secret, bonus 3, summer diet. They have 3 bonuses for your potential customers. As a scroll, you can see more details about the product. Now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting the product. We are going to find a traffic source whereby we can get people to click on our affiliate link and then purchase the product for us to make money. There are a lot of different traffic sources that you can use, but in this case I'm going to be showing you one of the best traffic sources that you can use to promote the product for free without paying for anything. Now the next step is that you have to search for Google Docs so that you can use the Google document to promote the product. Once you search for it, you can see Google Docs. Click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. Click on Go to Docs. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. You can see these are document templates that you can select. You can see a whole lot of them, but in this case we are going to start from scratch. So click right here, blank document. Once you open your Google document, you're going to see a page like this. The next step is that we are going to write some information about the product and then paste it right here. To write information about the product, you can use ChatGPT or you can write the information by yourself. In this case, I'm going to be using ChatGPT. So you have to search for ChatGPT and then sign up for an account. Once you sign up for an account and log in, what you have to do is that you have to write a prompt so that it can write a quality article for you. You can write a prompt like this. Write a full blog post about how to lose weight fast with green coffee beans. Type a prompt like this. Once that is done, click on send so that it can write a blog post for you. So just click on send. Once you click on it, it is writing the article. You can see it is writing the article. As you can see, it has written a nice article. You can see it is continuing. You can see everything. You can see it has written a full blog post. As you can see everything. You can see everything in the article. As a score, you can see everything in the article. It has given us a nice title. So now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to copy this article and then paste it on our Google Docs. So first of all, what you have to do is that you have to highlight and then copy the title of your article. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to highlight your text. Once you highlight it, make it bold and then increase the font size. So you can increase the font size. As you can see, that has been done. Now once you have your heading, the next step is that you are going to paste the body of the article here. So you have to come back on ChatGPT, highlight the entire article so that you can copy it. Highlight everything in the article and then copy it. Once you copy it, you're going to come back on your Google Docs, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. You can see your article. You can see this is your article. So when you scroll upwards, you can see this is the article. You can see everything in the article. As I scroll, you can see everything in the article. So now what you have to do is that you have to insert your affiliate link so that you can get people to click on it when they read this article. When you check on the landing page, you can see tell us where to send your free bottles. So we are going to be using this message to promote the product. Now what you have to do is that you have to write a call to action similar to that so that you can get people to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product. So now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to write a call to action so that when people read this article, they can click on it and then purchase the product. So we are going to type a call to action like click here to get your free bottle of green coffee beans, something like this, green coffee beans. You are going to type a call to action like this. Once you have your call to action, the next step is that you are going to insert your affiliate link right here. So you have to go back on market help so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you come back on market help, what you have to do is that you have to highlight and copy your affiliate link. You can see it right here. Highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back, highlight your call to action. Once you highlight it, click on this icon. You can see insert link. Click on it. Once that is done, you are going to paste your affiliate link here and then click on apply. Once that is done, you can see your call to action is linked to your affiliate link. So when people click on the call to action, they are going to be directed to the product through your affiliate link. The next step is that you are going to highlight your call to action and then copy it so that you can paste it in other parts of the articles. So just highlight it and then click on copy so that you can copy it. Once you copy the call to action, just scroll and then insert it in any part of the article. For example, we can insert it here. So paste your call to action here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to scroll upwards. You can also paste your call to action here. So just paste it right here. Once that is done, you can also give a name to your document. See, I've changed the name of the document. The next step is that you have to share this document so that we can get people to read it and then take the action for us to make money. So you are going to click right here, share. Once you click on it, you can see general access. restricted. You are going to click on it. Once you click on it, select anyone with the link so that your document will be accessible to anyone that you share the link to. Once that is done, you can click right here, copy link. Once you click on copy link, the next step is that you are going to share your link to a lot of people so that they can read your document and then click on your call to action so that they can purchase the product. There are many traffic sources that you can use to get people to click on your link and then read the document. One of the best ways that we can use to get traffic to our link is Facebook. Facebook is a social media platform where you can get many people to click on your link and download your document. There are many Facebook pages that you can use to reach out to people so that they can download your document and then purchase the product that you are promoting. On Facebook, you can join groups and promote your offer. For example, if you want to join a group, you can search for groups that are related to the product that you are promoting. In this case, our product is about weight loss, so search for weight loss. Just search for weight loss. Once you search for weight loss, you can see these are groups that you can join to promote your offer. When you click on more, there are many others that you can join so that you can be promoting your affiliate link. Let me click on more for you to see. Once I click on more, you can see these are groups that you can join to promote your link. You can see a whole lot of different groups that you can join. I have joined several of them. You can see this one I have joined and many others. So you have to also join as many as you want so that you can promote your link. You can see there are many groups. As a school, you can see a whole lot of them. And the best part is that these groups have a lot of members. So if you promote your product in the groups, you are going to be reaching out to a lot of people. You can see many groups and the number of members that they have. This one, for instance, you can see it has up to 147,000 members. This one has 81,000 members, and the good part is that this group is active. You can see 10 plus posts per day. So this group is one of the active groups that you can join. As a school, you can see many others. In this case, I have joined this group, and this is one of the best groups that you can join because they allow you to promote links in the group without any restrictions. So let me just click on it for you to see. As you can see, this is the group. When you scroll down, you see many people who have posted things in this group with links. You can see this one is an Amazon affiliate link. You can see it right here. This person has posted it into the group. There is no restriction. When you scroll down, you can see many other posts. As I scroll, you can see many other posts in the group. So you can equally post your link into this group so that you can get many people to click on it and then buy the product for you to make money. You can see different things that people are posting into the group. Now what we are going to do is that we are also going to post our link into the group so that we can get many people to click on it and then purchase the product. To post into the group, click right here, write something. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. The next step is that you're going to write your post and then send it to the group. Just write anything catchy that will get people to click on your link. In this case, I have my post, so let me just paste it for you to see. As you can see, this is my post. Kickstart your health journey. Download our free weight loss guide for expert tips, delicious recipe, motivating workout. Once you have written your post, you have to also insert the link to your document here. So you have to go back on your Google document, copy the link and then paste it here. Once you come back, click on copy link so that you can copy the link to your document. Click right here, copy link. Once you copy the link, you're going to come back and then insert it right here. So just highlight this. Once you highlight, you are going to paste your link here. So just paste your link. As you can see, that has been done. Your link has been pasted. So anytime people read the post, they can click on your link and then get access to your document. Once they get access, they can click on your call to action and then purchase the product. You can see this is a preview of the document. You can see everything. Now what you have to do is that you have to click here, post, so that you can post to the group. Once you click on it, you can see it is posting. You are going to wait for it to be posted. As you can see, it has been posted into the group. When you scroll down, you will find your post. Let me scroll down for you to see. You can see this is our post just now. It has been posted to the group. When you scroll down, you can see more details about your post. You can see this is the link. So when people click on it, they are going to get access to the document, and we are going to be making money when they make a purchase. This group has quality traffic because most of the members are from the United States. You can see the group is based in the United States. So a lot of the members are from the United States. They have the purchasing power to buy the product for us to make money. So make sure you create a lot of documents, post them into this group. Apart from this group, there are many other groups that you can post your links and then get people to read your article so that they can purchase the product that you are promoting. You can also come on the comment section and then send DMs to people so that they can take action for you to make money. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.